Hi friends, welcome to Pink and Blue I See You channel. I'm very happy that you are here with me today. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's learn the names of some fruits and vegetables that we have here by cutting them. Let's get started. This is a pineapple. Is the pineapple fruit or vegetable? It's a fruit. Good job. How many pieces do we have now? 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces of pineapple. What is this? Let's cut it open and see what's inside. It's a kiwi. Is kiwi a fruit or a vegetable? It's a fruit. Good job. Look at this one. It has a red color. Let's cut it open and see how it's inside. Here we have it. How many pieces do we have right now? 1, 2, 3. What is this? It's a tomato. Is tomato a fruit or vegetable? It's a vegetable. It's a pumpkin. It's pumpkin fruit or vegetable? It's a vegetable. Good job, everyone. Now let's grab this one. What is this? You got it. It's a corn. How many pieces do we have right now? 1, 2, 3 pieces of corn. Let's do this little guy. What is this? What do you think? It's in the yellow color. It's a lemon. Well done. Is the lemon a fruit or vegetable? It's a fruit. What is this one? Eggplant. Is eggplant fruit or vegetable? It's a vegetable. Oh, look at this. It looks like a ball. What is this? Watermelon. Good job, everyone. Is watermelon a fruit or vegetable? It's a fruit and it's very yummy. How many pieces do we have here? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces of watermelon. Let's do this one. Yes, it's a red cabbage. Red cabbage is a vegetable. Let's do this one. What is this? It's a leek. How many pieces do we have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces of leek. Now let's do this one. I'm sure you guys know this. It's a steak. Steak is a meat. We have this one. This is a hamburger. Let's cut it open and see what's inside. Here we have the bread, the crust. We have lettuce. We have onion. We have ham and tomato. Our next one is this little guy. It's a radish. Is radish fruit or vegetable? It's a vegetable. We have another pumpkin. We have 2 pieces. 1, 2. Ooh, this one is yummy. And I'm sure a lot of you guys love it. This is a banana. How many pieces do we have here? 1, 2, 3 pieces. Ooh, bunnies love these. Yeah, it's a carrot. They're so good and yummy. This is an onion. This is a dragon fruit. Is dragon fruit a fruit or vegetable? It's a fruit. Now we have this one. This is a piece of bread. Let's cut it. How many pieces do we have? 1, 2, 3 pieces. This is a white radish. Is radish a fruit or a vegetable? It's a vegetable. This is a mushroom. Is mushroom a fruit or vegetable? A vegetable. Oh, look at this. This is a fish. Fishes love the water. We have this little guy, the smiley face. It's a popsicle. Popsicles are very good in the summer when it's hot. We have 2 pieces of them. 1, 2. And last we have this one. This is a favorite of mine. This is a grape. Let's count the pieces together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the stem. 10 pieces of grape. Dragon fruit.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo.
Mushroom.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Onion.
Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo.
Popsicle.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
The hamburger.
Red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2 by 2.
Watermelon.
Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo.
White radish. fish, steak, lemon, corn, carrot, red cabbage, kiwi, eggplant, pumpkin, tomato, pineapple, bread, pumpkin, fish, radish, banana, leek, grapes. Well, this is the end of the video. I had so much fun learning with you today. Did you have fun learning with me? Thank you for joining and being my friend today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Grown-ups, support our channel by subscribing here on YouTube. This is the way to let us know that you enjoy watching our videos. Please like and share so others can join here too. Thank you.
I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you.